All right, here we go. Let's see if it's still playing. It didn't stop. No, it didn't. So, get to there. Tighten it down. All right, here we go. Get my gear on. Get my smoker going. And go down and check the bees. So first things, I'm gonna light this. Get this lit. And again, hopefully you can see this. Uh-oh. This might be out of fluid, that'd be a problem. Alright, it's pretty well lit. Again, once it goes down there, there's not much. That went out. Just like that, it went out. Yep. Throw some of this down there. I think it went out. Oh, no, it didn't go out. Almost burned my hands. I need to see some flame. Come on, there we go. All right. Now we got it going. This green stuff will make it smoke. The green pine needles, if I can get them in there. Come on, get in there. There we go. Throw another one or two in there. And throw some of this dry stuff in there. Really get it going. Here we go. All right, I think we're in good shape. All right, take my bucket of this down just in case it goes out. My tools. All right, what we're gonna do is we are going to see which way the wind's blowing. Wind's blowing that way. All right, so hopefully the camera's working, you can see. So we're gonna take off the lid. The sugar water is gone. I think we could probably get rid of that at this point. All right, this is the top lid. We've got a lot of bees here. So this is where, this is called a deep, and this is where the bees are gonna put honey for storage. All right, so I'm gonna take this off and hopefully, yeah, see, just gotta be careful here. There we go. The queen excluder screen, I don't want that to come up with this. All right. Let me set this down gently. All right, so we can see a lot of bees in here. Hopefully everybody's doing all right. All right, so let's see here. Kind of break these apart. What makes them stick together is this sticky substance called propolis. And I think they create it just to seal things off so no air gets in. Let me give these guys a shot here. The smoke is amazing, it just kind of settles them. All right, Smoke's getting to me, it's a little too much. Alright, so what I'm now going to do is inspect the bees. I need to get my tool here. This tool is a frame grabber, so it lets me grab onto these frames. Look at this one. And this one's completely empty. This I haven't gotten out, so I'll take that one out. I'll give them another shot of smoke. Okay. Now, man, oh man. Look at this. This is a brand new frame from, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. And hopefully you can see what they're creating here. Now I'm supposed to be looking for mites, but I have no idea how tiny they are. I know what they kind of look like, but I tend not to see any there. I'll gently put this back in. So I'm going to go slowly but surely into here. Yeah, look at this. Pretty amazing. I'm supposed to be also looking for the queen. I mean, they look healthy to me. I don't see any dead ones or anything like that. Check the other side. Carefully check the other side. Nothing. Let me grab this one. Again, I want to try to keep it low. So just in case, you can see the honey down there, what they're creating. Yeah, it's amazing. Let's check the other side. Yeah, and there's the broods that they created. They seal them up, and then they have honey over here. You can hopefully kind of see the honey, the clear, shiny stuff there. Put that back. I don't see the queen there yet. Check this one. This is the heaviest one, the heaviest frame. So I don't. Gotta be really careful here. It's just amazing what they've built out. And again, I'm just looking for the queen. I don't see her yet. Last time she was on this one. She has a little red dot on top of her head. Make her easy to see. They paint that on. Alright, we'll keep going. Let's hope she's here. I don't see her just yet. But, you know, who knows? I might just be missing her. Something crawling around back over there. That's Wilson. Alright, let's see. I'm hoping she's here. Ooh, they're pissed now. They're trying to get me. I cannot see if there's a queen here. And I'm not going back through them, that's for sure. Well, maybe I will. She's over here. Alright, I'm going to take one last look at this one right here in the middle. Just see. Yeah, I don't know. Check this other side. Give me a little shot here. Calm down. Alright. I guess I'll check one more. Check this one. And this is it. If I don't see it here, that's just the way it is. Nothing. Well, they seem happy. I don't know what that means, but there's my bucket here. All right, so now I'm going to put it back together. So the first thing I need to do is scooch these over and get this one back in there. Do I have it upside down or something? What's going on here? There we go. All right, so now these need to be evenly spaced at the end. So the two ends should have the same amount of space, and then just push these all together, and that'll evenly space them. You can see the spacers here, and keep those spaced out evenly. The end looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna put the queen excluder back on. I am going to put this back on. I guess I could check that. Let's check these, see what's going on in here. And the propolis just keeps them stuck together. I don't know if you can see it here, but right in here there's all that sticky stuff, the propolis they create to seal everything up. Keeps wind and cold out and anything else. But the queen should not be up here because she can't get up here. Yep, so they're just doing what they do up here. Alright, so evenly space these again. There we go. Just leave it. So I think that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to put this sugar water back in. So I'm going to take off that top frame or top box. It's called that's a big one, so it's called a brooder. It's got like 5 names. This thing's got like 5 different names depending on who you talk to. All right, I think we're in good shape. All right, take the smoker, get out of here. It worked perfectly. Take our jar here. Come on. Yeah. Get this. We are done.